Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'll show you how to change name on Uno. So let's get started. First, launch open your Uno game. Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the pencil icon and then type in your new name. Once you are done, tap on the confirm button. And if you are sure, tap on confirm once again. And this is how you can change name on Uno. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.